This is a Neutron Controls demonstration of brushless DC motors operating in a redundant automotive Ethernet ring. Each node in the ring consists of a REDLINE carrier board populated with an AURIX TC297 MCU module, a power module, and a redundant Ethernet module. Two of the boards also have a brushless DC motor controller and a brushless DC motor. The top left REDLINE board is connected to a computer over RS-232 using Universal Dual Comms module. The redundant Ethernet modules are automotive ready with 1000 base T1 single twisted pair PHYs. The redundancy functionality is implemented as per IEEE 802.1cb with packet duplication and filtering performed by an FPGA. This demonstration has 3 motor control modes. Currently, the system is set up whereby each motor is independently controlled using a potentiometer located on the motor controller board. The computer display is located in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. This display includes a simple visualization of the connected nodes in the ring. Green lines indicate Ethernet link status is up between the REDLINE boards. If there is an Ethernet failure, the lines would turn red. In this part, the motor speeds are kept in sync across the ring network. In the event of a single link failure, simulated by removing one connection, the motors remain in sync, demonstrating the reliability provided by a redundant Ethernet ring. When a node is removed from a ring, the remaining nodes are aware of the failure and can respond accordingly. This is shown by the second motor shutting down when the primary motor is removed from the ring. In a failover demonstration, a fault detected on the active motor is immediately propagated over the redundant network and the backup motor spins up to take over. For the final demonstration, the motors are placed in synchronous mode again. This demonstration is to show that a single network connection failure can be tolerated at any link in the redundant ring without data delay or loss. When the link failures are detected, the remaining nodes in the ring are notified.